Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll say in this video. Lovely viewer will say in this video stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, attractive and trending home decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Attractive and trending stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. These were all my favorite collections. We will see in this video stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, home decorations ideas. Watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of new all creative, attractive and trending. We will see modern and stylish unique landscaping ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, unique and stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. These were all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new stylish landscaping ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. These were all my favorite collections. You will see stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, marvelous and stylish and trending unique decorations ideas. These were all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new creative and trending landscape ideas. Hope you like new already attractive and trending landscaping designs. Landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy new stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring new attractive and trending landscaping designs. So viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends.